In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp Easiest Way 2026 Guide. Let's get straight into it. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. You can use the web app or desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one, so everything you build stays organized in the right place. Next, look at the left side menu. Here you'll choose the space where your finances will live. You can use an existing space if you already have one for operations or personal planning. If not, create a new space dedicated to money management. Give it a clear name, like finances or budgeting, so it's easy to find later. Keeping finances in their own space helps you keep permissions tidy and prevents your budget from getting buried under unrelated work. Inside that space, it's time to create lists. Click the plus icon or use the space view to add a new list. A list is where your budget items will sit, so think of it like a folder for a specific period or purpose. You can create a single master budget list or set up multiple lists, such as one for each month or for different accounts, if that makes tracking easier for you. Choose what matches the way you think about money and keep it consistent. When creating your list, you can speed things up with a template. Open the template options, search for budget, and select the personal budget template, or pick another budget template that suits your style. Apply it to your new list, and then rename the list to something meaningful, such as April budget or household budget. Clear naming helps you quickly scan and navigate your finances without second guessing. Now customize the list so it truly fits your needs. Adjust the categories to match how you track money, for example, income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, subscriptions, or savings. Edit fields to include exactly what you want to see, such as amount, due date, paid status, notes, or category. You can reorder columns, hide the ones you don't need, and adjust views to make it easy to review totals and upcoming bills. If you prefer grouping, group by category or status to see patterns at a glance. As you update amounts and mark items as paid, keep your naming consistent and your categories simple. That way, when you duplicate this list for a new month, everything carries over cleanly and you're ready to track without rebuilding. And that's it. Your budgeting system in ClickUp is set up, clear, and ready to use. Keep it updated regularly and it will give you reliable visibility into your finances all year long.